Hello guys, you're welcome back. Ultimate Love fans react as Teresa reveals what she feels like whenever Ike's arms are around her. Teresa has taken to her social media account and disclosed what she feels whenever Ike's arms is around her. Teresa, while sharing new photos of her on her Instagram page, said she always feels at home whenever Ike's arm is around her. She also disclosed that Ike is her true and ultimate love, and she is forever grateful for having Ike as a partner. In the new photo she shared, she was seen coupling up with Ike with an ash-toning gown, while Ike was seen putting on a white long-sleeve shirt that looks so cute. The post is currently trending with high volume of comments while their fans are hailing them for keeping up their love life high despite all odds. Their fans are in the opinion that she is madly in love to have such feeling. As we all know, Ike and Teresa were a couple at the just concluded TV reality show called Ultimate Love, where they were paired together to search for their ultimate love with a couple named Ike Risa. However, the ex-housemates have been constantly dragged for being too childish with the way they handle issues of life. They were recently called out by Nigerians after they accused the organizer of the love show of depriving them their first position. In spite of all, the potential couple have not relented in sharing cute and couple photos that exhibit how real their love is. Please be kind enough to wish them well if you are among their real fans. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.